My name is Blaine Perrin. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for Solarcore. Solarcore is an advanced materials company, and we specialize in creating aerogel insulations. What I love is the fact that, number one, remote vans is the first and only van that is using our product. And so to see it in this application is really exciting for us. It's a first of its kind, so that's always brings some excitement. And especially when you're working in an ingredient brand, which is kind of what we call ourselves, to see it actually applied into the real thing, into the finished product, is really where we get some joy, because for the general consumer out there, they're more excited in your van than they are about the insulation that goes into it. So we're really excited when we can come together with these great consumer brands that can help us tell the story, both of our stories about innovation and technology. What I really learned and appreciate about what Remote Vans is doing is that you guys are looking for innovation in every nook and cranny of your vehicle. That gives us great pride to be part of a company and a story that really is pushing innovation in the space, in the RV space. So, and for us, it's the first of its kind. So again, that's pretty exciting to see here on the factory floor. There are so many hidden innovations that people should be knowing about, and more questions I think that people would be asking. And when you ask the questions, you guys are delivering answers that seem like they're just far superior than everybody else in the market.